Hey everyone, welcome back to my sync programming, and today we are going to style the CSS part of Mywork to-do list tab. Till now it looks like this when we last done the HTML part, and today we are going to make CSS. So we will make style.css in our folder and link it with HTML file. And now we are going into style.css, and let's get started with our styling. We will first style the body part. We will actually first CSS reset. I will just enlarge it so that you can see it properly. The padding will be 0. Box sizing will be border box. The next thing will be the body. I will style it as display will be flex and background will be black. So it is looking like this. I know it is not looking good, but keep with us so that I will now style the header. And this header I will just make display as flex. Actually not in the body, I will make in the header display flex, and width will be 100% so that it can fit the body. Margin will be 10 pixel and auto so that it gets centered from left and right side of the body. Font size will be 2 rem. Color will be black. Text align will be left, and flex direction will be row. Background color will be black. And border radius will be on and around 10 pixel. So it is looking like this. I know it is not looking cool, but if you keep coding with us, then afterwards at the end of this video we will style the first part of that is the first container in this video. Header h1. Pixel. I will just now style the search part, that is ID search. I will give it the position as absolute, and then I will make it a position from the right as 56 pixel from the right, and I will also give it from the top it would be 40 pixel from the top, and its width will be 760 pixel. It will have a color white so that the text can be seen on the search fragment, and I will just give the background color as black. Background color is black, and I will just give some padding. I will also give height. Height would be 40 pixel. Now it is looking like a search box, and some border also. It will be 2 pixel solid red, and it will have a radius of on and around 10 pixel. Now we will just go towards our header. It will have text align at center also. I like to align text in center when someone searches, so that's why I've made it like this. Font size will be large. And now it will have an outline, and so when someone clicks, it will not show its outline. It will have pure border radius when someone clicks over it. Now we will go towards our color change fragment that we have made, that we will make. Actually it will have an animation of color change color, and it will be 3 seconds and infinite, and will repeat. And now we will make the color change span element and keep the Mywork in it. It will have ID as color change or change color. I really don't remember. Yeah, color change was the ID. Now the next thing we will make keyframes so that this color can be changed. So will be at 25%, it will be its name should be given, so that's why I'm giving the name as change color, so that this animation will be repeated when I will style the ID color change. Color will be blue at 25%, and same like this I will do for 50 and 75% also. So the 3 colors will be switched from time to time in 3 seconds. This is the role of keyframes and animation in our CSS part. So now look at this. Mywork is switching the color from time to time. At 100% it is giving black, so it is disappearing from the screen. That's why. So I will not change the color at 100%. I will keep this as black only. So for some time it disappears. It will look good. Container. Now we will style the main container, and in this part we will only style the main container, and the second container, the first container also, but the second container will be styled in another part, the another video that will be coming tomorrow, and a day after tomorrow the last video will be coming, that is the main video of JavaScript. So don't miss it, guys. Follow this and you will be you will be really able to make these things. So display will be flex direction will be column. This is of container 1. Justify content will be center. Align items will be center. So just look at this. Now container 1 will be styled, so its height will be 500 pixel, width will be 50%, I think so that 2 containers can be placed on the screen with 50% of width, sharing equal halves. Border right, I will just give a line over it for the border right, solid white, so that the 2 containers can be splitted using border. Yeah, this is the line that I wanted to give. And now I will just style the inside elements, that is the search elements and input elements in the container 1. So I will style container 1 dot head id head, sorry. I will have border of 2 pixel solid blue. Padding will be 14 pixel and 10 pixel. First of all, I will give border as 0 because I just wanted to reconfirm that will it look good or not. Its width will be inherit, so it will have the complete width that it can take. So it is looking like this now. And now I will make outline none is made, and the next thing I will do is giving it a color as white so that it will look clean. And now font size will be 20 pixel, and border will be 2 pixel. I will just give the border radius for as 24 pixel. Background color will also be given afterwards, just transition of 0.25 seconds, and it will have margin from top as 10 pixel, and the next thing will be I will give border to it. I have to actually, it is not applying on the container one, so what's the problem? I have to just correct. So right now I am getting border background color as black, and the display would be block, and the text align will be center. So now the border, I think so I have to give the border now. Border will be 2 pixel solid blue. So let's check it out now. Still not applied. So what's the problem? I need to just have a look in our code. So actually I have to give the id and class are also correct container 1, and just have a look. Yeah, I have found. Now I have not made the class as container 1, I have just made the class as container. So that's the problem when you also code. So that problems you can face, just have a recheck over it. Yeah, now it is getting styled. Now in the same way I will style the description box also. So I will make container 1 and hashtag disk for description, and I will just copy and paste the code from container 1 head to the container 1 dot hash disk. Now it is styled, having properly styled. Now I will style the button. The last thing, it is having the idea at task, so I am just confirming it once the spelling and the caps are all proper or not. Styling the button, it would be the background color as red, and width will be inherit so that it can have maximum width. Actually I will just give 200 pixel to look how it looks like. Outline will be none, and the color, I think so. Font size also needs to be changed, so that's why it would be 30 pixel. It's just have a plus icon in between, and now it is looking cool. I will also need to give margin, and color will be white. And I have the border radius actually needs to be 10 pixel. I like 10 pixel border radius, that's why I've given it to all of these elements, which will be inherit now. Margin top 10 pixel because having some distance from the top element also. And yeah, it is looking really nice as expected. So this is the first part of our CSS code. The second part will be coming tomorrow, so stay tuned with us. And in that second part we will style the second container, that is the output box of our Mywork app. So thank you guys, and